Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you get all the information about Air Force. So, today we are gonna talk about India's latest project. So, as you know guys, modern era is an era of drones. As we saw in Armenia-Azerbaijan war, the drones dominated the whole battle. So, what's the status of India about the drones? As we know, India does not have many attack drones. There are only four drones which are on lease from America. These are Predator drones, and India needs more drones in order to fight the coping threat of dual front, that is China front and Pakistan front. So, what is ghatak drone project? So, a ghatak drone is a drone which is used for deep striking the enemy stealth. It is a stealth drone which is used to strike deep into the enemy territory. It can also carry nukes, air to air missiles, air to ground missile, and it is used to eliminate key targets. With this new Ghatak drone project, India aims to become a global superpower as no other country has fully modernized or equipped an air to air or air to ground stealth drone, which has a huge impact on the overall global world order. We Indians are fearless beings. We don't fear anything. That's why we are stronger. And with this new project, we will become more stronger and we will rise against all odds. Thanks for watching.